We'll guide you through how to use the green screen feature in CapCut. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open CapCut on your desktop and create a new project. Import the video clips you want to work with, including your green screen footage and the background video or image. Drag the background clip to the main timeline track. Next, add your green screen footage to the track above the background clip. Click on the green screen clip to select it. On the right-hand panel, look for the option labeled Chroma Key, and click it, or you can also right-click the footage, then find Remove Background and select Chroma Key. You'll see an eyedropper tool icon. Click on that, and then click anywhere on the green area of your green screen footage. This will select the green color and key it out. You might need to adjust the intensity and shadow sliders to fine-tune the look, and ensure that the green is completely removed, and that your subject looks natural against the new background. Once you're happy with the result, you can preview the video to make sure everything looks seamless. If needed, you can trim or reposition the clips for perfect alignment. When you're satisfied, go ahead and export your video using the Export button at the top right corner. Choose your desired resolution and format, then click Export. And that's it. You've successfully used the green screen feature in CapCut. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.